Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to send payment request on Payoneer. So first of all, go ahead and in your App Store, Google Play, and then update or download the Payoneer. And basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back to my screen, go ahead to my browser, scroll a little bit down. To request a payment, click on get paid. But if you want to send a payment request to Payoneer, just go ahead. If you want to send a payment basically on Payoneer, you can just go back to your screen and go ahead and enter the Payoneer basically, and you're gonna log in with your account on Payoneer, right? And basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and let me just wait it out. Click right here at the actions, right? And then you can request a payment by going to request a payment, right? And then follow along the on-screen instructions, or you can send a payment or pay to someone else's Payoneer account or recipient bank account. In that case, you can just go ahead and click on it, and basically you're going to be able to do it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.